Fan. Hey, Dave, what's cooking, baby?
Hey, how you doing, Boomer? How you doing, Craig?
All right, Davey, what's happening?
Hey, how'd you like your bagels about a month ago?
They were great. Thank
Great
you so
bagels.
much, man.
You're like a bagel expert.
No problem.
Very nice of you.
Listen, I got a few things to go over. I think
right.
Tanaka should be the opening day starter.
What if I told you the Yankees had already decided that Tanaka would be the opening day starter?
Well, they are saying either Tanaka or Sabathia. That's what they're going for.
Tanaka's your opening day
Sabathia.
starter.
Tanaka's going to be the starter. You know that. I know that. He's the ace of the staff. And what do the Yankees do with the ace of the staff?
They start him opening day because that's who should pitch opening day, whether it's
Right.
on the road or at home, it doesn't matter.
Okay, two more questions. When are you guys going to the Mohegan Sun?
May something.
May something? You guys
I mean, the guys-
It's a Friday, May 15th.
Maybe May 15th we might be there.
Okay, and
Yeah.
Boomer, can I get an autograph from both of you?
Well, I'll be more than happy to give you an autograph. Craig's a little bit more difficult than I am.
Like, when do you want it?
I'll wear a hat that says Craig Carton.
Yeah,
All right,
that'd
if
be
you
great.
wear a Craig Carton hat, I'll give you an autograph and I'll take a picture with you.
All right, dude.
And then I'll sign the picture when you send it to me, and I'll get it back to you first class mail.
And I also have 3 songs when a reliever comes in.
Yeah, but you said there's only 2 more
Yeah,
points, and
No,
you used them
one
both up.
more point. One more
But
point.
now you're asking for
All
a
right,
bonus
one more point.
He wants a
And
bonus
I'll
point.
shut my
He's a
mouth.
nice guy. He sent
Don't
us
shut
some
your
bagels.
mouth, talk.
He sent us some bagels, so go ahead. Make
Go
a
ahead,
bonus
bagel.
point. Go ahead.
Thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck by, of
Yeah.
course, the great Cher.
Sure, yeah.
No, Thunderstruck by
Oprah Winfrey.
AC/DC.
Right.
AC/DC, yeah.
Hell's Bells.
By the same
AC/DC.
aforementioned group.
Yeah.
And
Right. This is awesome.
the Aerosmith. The
Dude,
Aerosmith
like a
song,
lady.
Living on the Edge.
Agree on.
Living
Dave,
on the
we'll
edge.
see you at Mohegan Sun
Nice.
in the middle of May, my main man.
All right.
But that's if you want to put a juxtaposition.